And here we cut the 0.4 is 70 centimeter, about near about 2 feet. Yeah, about 2 feet. Okay, then here let's go to show with you how to wrap a wave ring. Okay, here we started at the beginning. We wrap here. This one, you see, I shoot not faster. Here, and the wrapper, and the wrapper. This one is the technique for the people who have a little bit experience. Here, this up, and wrap to top. Here, and the wrapper. Here, the wrapper. Here, and the wrapper. This way, wrapper. Tight, wrapper, tight, here, this way, here, tight, here, wrapper, here. So this is the way. How do you keep those wires straight like that? Mine always bend. You bend, I think it's because you are have two problem. You have two problem. After I wrap here, I show you what's the problem. That the new starter always have why the wire will be bent. First, my finger touch here. I'm not touch far away. I must be touch here. So even you are use this way to bend it here, when you are tight here to wrap, so you need to adjust it. When you have wave here, you need to let it inside. Yeah, let it here inside. Then you go to wrap. Yeah, go wrap. It doesn't mean you are tight here and you wrap directly. Here it will be out of shape. You need to let it go inside. Okay, so you use this one. Then it's the same here, here, wrapper. Then you need to let it go inside, not always far away. While I use my hand, I tight here, this way. Here, always tight here. And I use my top of the finger to pull the wire. Top of my finger to pull the wire here, but I'm not do it like this way to pull the wire. If you do like this, the wire out of shape, bend. So not like this. It must be here. Wrap your finger near the wire here. So finger always near the wire to wrap. Okay, this, not use thumb to pull it. Use this one to pull it tight and neat. Here, this finger is used a lot. Yeah. Even you have long nail, you can use this way. Yeah, use this part to pull, but I think by nail to pull it will be easy. Always here to pull it, your hand will be painful. I put the 3 beads. Here. Mommy, thank you. So it's 3 wire, 3 beads here. You will see, I always follow the wire wrapper. I'm not far away tight here. I always follow it. Yeah, and here always use the top of my finger to do. Here. If friends you want to order the materials, you just go to my web shop. It's non-tannish, and wire, beads, pliers, or the chains, charms, everything you can find it in my shop. TT sometimes we don't know. Yeah. 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 Then we can check the length. Do you have those wooden board you lay a pantone for necklace and bracelet for? Let me check. Yeah. Do you mean that? That one I don't have. You can check from AMZ. Size wire is 1 millimeter and 0.4. 2.2. Flat board. Flat board. That one I don't have. You can check from AMZ. Yeah. Tours, this that I don't have. Yeah. If you don't know how long the chain you need to cut, just remember this card, this picture. Check here, the length, then you understand. Here. I don't know what it's called in English. Yes. This one. This other adjustable ring. Here. This kind of the ring normally we use this way, and another way to wrap is not most is this way. Yeah. Always get a strug in your hair this way. If it's stuck on your hair, you can try some design that's the closed design, not by an open design. Yeah. The adjustable ring normally at the end we do it like this. Here.